In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change aspect ratio in Nano Banana. We'll use Google Gemini's image tool to reshape your image to a new aspect ratio while keeping the content intact. You'll need two images, the original you want to adjust and a second image that represents the final shape you're aiming for. Aspect ratio is the width to height relationship. Changing it helps your image fit vertical, square, or widescreen formats without clumsy cropping. Start by opening a browser and heading to the Google Gemini app page. Once you're in, look for the Tools section. This is where the creative utilities live. Open Tools, then choose Create Image to get to the workspace where you can combine images and instructions. On the Create Image canvas, add your original photo. Click the plus icon, choose Upload Files, and select the image you want to change. Wait for the upload to finish before you continue. When it's done, you'll see a thumbnail appear confirming it's ready. Next, add your reference image. Click the plus icon again, choose Upload Files, and select the second image whose framing or aspect ratio you want to emulate. This gives Gemini a visual cue about your desired width to height shape, whether that's a tall portrait or a wide landscape. Choose a reference that truly reflects the destination format. Now move to the prompt area at the bottom. This is where you clearly tell Gemini what to do with the two images. Type in instructions such as zoom out and use the second image as the reference for the final aspect ratio. Being explicit helps the model understand both the action, zooming out to reveal more canvas, and the target shape guided by your reference. If needed, say keep the main subject centered to preserve composition. When your prompt looks good, submit it. Gemini will process the inputs and produce an adjusted version of your original that conforms to the reference aspect. If the first result isn't quite right, refine the phrasing, mention how tight or loose the framing should be, or ask to fill any extra space with background consistent with the scene, then submit again. Small wording tweaks can make a big difference. A few quick tips. Keep both images high enough resolution for best results. Choose a reference that clearly shows the shape you want, and avoid conflicting instructions in the prompt. If your aim is a cinematic 16:9 look or a square 1:1, you can also state that numerically alongside using the reference for extra consistency. That's the workflow. Open Gemini, go to Tools, choose Create Image, upload your original, add a reference, write the prompt, and submit. Follow these steps to adjust aspect ratio smoothly while preserving your image's story.